So welcome back. If you do everything right, your WordPress should be up. So you have to make sure that your username, your password, and your database name corresponds with the PHP, this WordPress configuration PHP file. Ensure that the database you created, that MariaDB, whatever DB you are using, the database name, because right now we linked, if you look at one of the file, one of the stuff, we linked the MariaDB to our PHP file. So if you're able to link both of them together, then you should ensure that the database name and the PHP are the same. The database name, if you come to this PHP configuration file, so when you are creating your database, ensure that the database name is the same thing with your WordPress database that you created. Then the username is the same, the password is the same, or else you have connection error. So that's one thing you should take note of. One of the things you avoid, and this security, ensure that it's well secured and everything. Then if you see connection error on your system, know that your server is up. It knows that the connection from your server to the internet, your HTTP, your networking, everything is on point. Just know that one. The only thing that is lacking is that your database refuses to connect to your system. So for you to correct that, you have to come back to this PHP, because this is where your configuration file is. Ensure that the database name and everything is correct. And if everything is correct, then you take your public IP address, Control-C, then of the server that you've configured. Sorry, I'm even running out of memory. Then you just come to a fresh browser, then Wrecker. See, your WordPress is up. So WordPress is up. So normal configuration of WordPress, simple configuration. Just put your site name. Let's call this Cloud Enthusiast. Then the username, I can put Osato. I like my name, Osato P. Then password, this is the suggested password for unless you copy it. If I try to copy it, I can just use the same. I told you this password is not the best practice. So you can use any password you like. It's weak. If I want to make it strong, I can make here W. Then I can add 1, 2, 3 to it. Becomes it can be strong. Then I'll say hash and this and this and this. And I can copy it. So next time I want to log in, and copy it and put it on a notepad. So you have to just follow WordPress pass. So I can forget. I won't forget. I have the culture of saving everything on my notepad, so that it can be. Notepad is cross-platform. Can use any email. I can use certain this email. Then discourage. Yes, I don't want people to say. I should say install WordPress. I do this. WordPress is already installed successfully. Then say choose a. Then when I want to log in now, just put Osato P. Then password, the one I copied just now, paste. Then I've logged in. Yes, then yeah, come here and just pick up any theme, maybe come to appearance, pick up any website theme, then just activate it. And activate this. So I view my site, view website. So this is my website. I can decide. This is my website for now. I can decide to start configuring and editing. Go back to theme, customize this theme the way I want it. You can decide to install other things that can help you to configure very well. I think we have so many assistants, many plugins that can help you to. That will be a course for another day. But now your WordPress is out. You can now start designing the way you want, design your website the way you want. So for now, I think I will stop here. Let's have a recap of what we did. First of all, we talked a little about database, the types of database. I didn't go in details. I just touched it. And we talked about WordPress, what is it used for? Then we also came to give the list on how we can install WordPress, the processes of installing WordPress, and we're using MariaDB. Then we will use Terraform, Git Patch as our Nanos distribution. Then we use PHP, install PHP, MariaDB, and with the public IP address, our website, our listening was up. So that's all. So thank you for spending time, for staying with me, and watch out for more. And know in the next class, I want to talk about how to really get it secured in a web production environment. So if you have a website before that is existing, that you want to just move to AWS, it's simple as this. You already moved it, and you enjoy all the SLAs of AWS. Then you don't need to pay any local host. You just pay AWS. Yes, AWS also have another easy to move WordPress version called Lightsail. Lightsail is very easy. If you can go to Lightsail, Lightsail, you say Lightsail. Yes, the comment. So with your Lightsail here, you have 3 months free. It's by Amazon. You can decide to 3 months free. Then you start paying $3 per for either Nano server or server. It's easy. With this, you can have your website up and running. You'll be paying $3 per month, which is going to be like let's say approximately $400 per year. And I think our next class is going to be on this. So I'm going to talk about how to create a Lightsail. But what I did now, I didn't use Lightsail. Lightsail is like a serverless because they will launch your server for you. All those processes we pass through, they will just help you to do those things and get your server ready for your deployment. You just pick your server and deploy it. Require work, good to go. So, well, you know, as an infrastructure engineer, I have to tell you what is working, what is happening at the back end. So I want to thank AWS. I want to thank WordPress. I want to thank PHP. I want to thank this website, this techviewleo.com. Awesome guys. The materials was interesting, and other materials we use here. So I believe I was able to make you understand how to create a WordPress with an EC2 and how to install MariaDB. Also, I want to thank the MariaDB everything team there. So thank you so much, and it's a pleasure again to be your pilots. Wow, I'm Osatome Patrick Aibogun, your pilot cloud training for enthusiasts. Thank you. Bye.